This video series is Integrated Financial Planning, Developing Effective Financial Plans. And the topic for this video, continuing with our financial planning frameworks and processes, we're now going to look at financial planner professional skills. So what I'm showing here is the PDF document from FB Canada Standards Council, the competency profile, and it's a graphic overview. In the previous video I showed where you can get this from the FB Canada website. And the previous video was just a quick overview that the competency profile is made up of professional skills, functions such as collecting data, analyzing the information, and then making recommendations. And the 6 financial planning areas, which are financial management, insurance and risk management, investment planning, retirement planning, tax planning, and finally estate planning and legal aspects. So in this video, we're going to drill down into more information with regards to the professional skills, and we're going to be looking at what makes up the critical thinking skills, the interpersonal and relationship skills, the teamwork and collaboration skills, and finally the communication skills that are required to make a successful financial planner. So here I've just taken the information from the PDF document. I've put it back into my PowerPoint slide. So again, down here I've got the FP Canada competency profile, just as a quick reminder, and we're looking here at the professional skills. So the first professional skill is the critical thinking skills. So you can see there's a list of 7. And so that's the nomenclature PS 101 just means professional skill 101. And you can see that that skill is to identifies and diagnoses concerns and or issues. PS 102 is determines relevant information. PS 103 makes reasonable assumptions and undertakes research as appropriate. PS 104 uses applicable methods or tools to analyze data and uses judgment to evaluate results and develop strategies. Professional skill 105 under critical thinking skills is assesses and compares options to arrive at a recommendation. So you can see these are critical thinking skills that are required to be a successful financial planner. PS 106 integrates information and or analyzes into a coherent response or recommendation. And finally, PS 107 demonstrates the capacity to adapt thinking. Moving over here to the interpersonal and relationship skills, you can see that it's a longer list of 11. I won't read them all, but if we look at the first 5, PS 201 demonstrates genuine interest in clients and others. PS 202 creates a comfortable environment for clients and others. PS 203 adapts methods and manner to the unique needs and preferences of clients and others. PS 204 respects differences of opinions and the decisions of others. And PS 205 recognizes when the values, biases, or perspectives of clients may impact their actions. So again, there's, that's 5, but there's 6 other interpersonal and relationship skills that make up the Financial Canada professional skills required to be a successful financial planner. In the next slide, we're just going to move on to the next 2 skills, which is the teamwork and collaboration skills and the communication skills. So moving on now to the communication skills and teamwork and collaboration skills. So again, we're looking at the financial planner competency profile. We're starting here on the outside of the wheel, the professional skills. The previous slide, we're looking at the critical thinking skills and the interpersonal relationship skills. Now we're moving on to the communication skills, teamwork, and collaboration. So you can see the communication skills, PS 301, actively listens. I always tell my students, listening is a skill. Please listen to what I'm saying. PS 302 probes and confirms understanding of issues and recommendations. Professional skill 303, falling under communication skills, demonstrates awareness of nonverbal communications to develop rapport and personal connections. PS 304 effectively distills complex information and strategies and communicates in a simple, understandable manner. That's a skill. You need to understand something to be able to communicate it simply. PS305 determines the preferred communication styles of clients and others and effectively adapts communication methods, format, style, and tone to suit them. And that's KYC, knowing your client, okay? Understanding their preferred communication styles. Is it email? Is it a meeting? Is it over the phone? What do they prefer? PS306 presents recommendations and strategies in a clear, concise, complete, correct, and concrete manner. PS307 continually evaluates the effectiveness of communications and adapts as necessary. PS308 responds respectfully in all situations. And finally, PS309 demonstrates diplomacy and professionalism in all communications. So those are the communication skills, again, required to be a successful financial planner. Moving over here to teamwork and collaboration skills, PS401 works with clients to establish clear planner-client roles and responsibilities and empowers clients to manage their finances. PS402 recognizes when to involve clients' family and or business partners. PS403 recognizes when to refer to qualified professionals to provide the necessary expertise. That's an important one. Often a financial planner needs to call on a professional accountant for certain tax advice, or a trust and estate planner, sometimes, or an investment specialist. It is a team where the financial planner is often the heart of the team that sometimes recognizes when to refer to other qualified professionals to provide necessary expertise. PS404 works with other professionals as appropriate to help implement the financial plan, which is really related to that 403 as we've been discussing. And finally, PS405 coordinates and manages client interactions with other qualified professionals as needed. So you'd be the networker, the introducer, and the arranger, to get other specialized advice. And that is the conclusion for this video with regards to all the information that we need to cover off the professional skills in the financial planner competency profile. And that is the conclusion for this video. The topic was looking at the financial planner professional skills. Thank you.